Paradise Coast is probably Southwest Florida's jewel, as you'd say. It's a beautiful area, beaches, golf course, huge boating community, jet skiing, boat rentals, tours, well known for its deep sea fishing. Just a real great place to come and play. Beautiful golf courses, great hotels, and just a footstep or two away from the Everglades. It's really a beautiful place.
The shopping opportunities also offer that Paradise Coast lifestyle of pampering service and upscale product.
Whatever you want, you can find it here on the Paradise Coast. Whether it's high-end shopping from Hermès or Gucci to fine little boutiques that have those finds you won't find anywhere else, you'll find it up and down the Paradise Coast.
What happened to me last week? Really? And together.
I got one. Hey, what's on the chicken? Romano chicken.
Yummy, the appetizer.
Been pretty good?
Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh, what are you going to try first? Okay, I think I'm going to have that too. See how it
Some of the freshest seafood in the world. The stone crabs and the grouper that are coming right out of the Gulf of Mexico are fantastic. We've got plenty of inventory, and everything is fresh. It's like we say, we can't fake fresh.
We're fortunate to have access to so many fresh resources, like seafood and year-round local produce. Our area caters to a wide range of tastes, including locally owned eateries to restaurants that enjoy a strong national reputation.
The village also offers a lot of locally owned boutiques and restaurants who pride themselves in servicing locals and visitors with the very best of everything, and that is the best food, the most wonderful service, and upscale product. Luxe Boutique is a favorite shopping destination by men and women. It offers fashion-forward, casual comfort, designer clothing for that customer who appreciates luxury, style, and comfort.
Whatever you want, you can have it here. Whether it's high-end shopping, we have everything from Cartier and Hermès. You know, whether it's boutique shopping, we've got that too.